Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, mirror mounted spotlights, shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We're conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.